what you're left with is the circle is completely closed. And the strange thing is, because you can't see the stitches, a lot of the phenomenon of working with eyelash yarn is the feel. So you'll just have to use a lot of the feeling instead of the actual seeing the stitch. But now that you're at the end, just do what you do at the other end of circles, is grab your hook and you can make a slip stitch and just pull it and then cut it. So for the top, for the head, I'm just going to grab my hook, and where you have these two strands left over at the top, just take these two strands and get your darning needle and insert your needle through the bottom of one side of the head and out the other side of the head, and then pull it through. And that way you have an instant ornament hook, a string. It saves you a little bit of time and work. So this way, now it's connected to the body of the angel's body. Then take your wings, which all I did was take some thin wire and cover them with this cute little gold tool, and then just take the two and then just, you can even just turn them together like this so that they're joined. And then what we're gonna do is just, I have already a piece of thread that's left over from this cute little head. So what I'm just gonna do is just take my darning needle, attach your wings, and then just do some slip stitches into the back of the angel's body this way, just to secure the wings to the back. For the legs, I'm just gonna use these cute little beads. You can use anything that you like. And I'm just gonna take a piece of this twine and go ahead and thread your darning needle. And then I'm going to just insert the twine to the bottom, just maybe like in and then out 1 inch of the other side. Then what I'm going to do is I am going to attach one bead for the little leg. What I do is I'm just going to make a knot, and the bead won't come off. But you can use bells, you can use anything that your imagination will lead you to, okay? And then just cut another piece. Add the other. And make a knot. And now your Christmas angel has the legs, and then just even them out and then just trim. like this. For the hair, I'm just using this wool that I got. It's one of those packages that comes with artiste wool, but you can use anything you like. You can even crochet it. I just kind of take it apart a little bit. You don't need very much because the angel is very small. Just take a little piece, some little wisps of it, and then just start wrapping it around the head, just to give the angel a little bit of hair like this. Just like so. Make sure that this strand stays into the middle. Okay? For the arms, just do the same thing that you did with the legs. Just put it through the side, like maybe about right here on the side, and then out the other side. Just make a knot, and then you can tie this off. I just took some of this gold and white eyelash yarn, and I just made a few stitches, maybe 3 little rows of double crochets, and then I'm just going to take it and then I'm just going to wrap it around her little hands. You can just tie it. is a fast and quick angel. If you're in a time crunch, these are very easy to make. And at the top, you have your 2 strands, and you can just make a knot, and that will be the string to hang it, if you would like to hang it on your Christmas tree. Cut it about right here. You can hang it on the Christmas tree. But there you have it, a very quick and easy little Christmas angel.